In this Excel tutorial video, you will learn how to create pivot table containing data about coronavirus outbreak. You will learn how to create filter, how to change the column names, how to insert slicer, and how to create groups with subtotals. First, let's understand the data. The data shows 3 different coronavirus cases in each country. Each country belongs to a certain region or continent. To convert this data into a pivot table, highlight the data range, go to Insert, then Pivot Table. Table range will show the table or data highlighted. You have the option to place your pivot table in new worksheet or an existing worksheet. We choose existing worksheet. Our location of the table will be on cell F1. Click OK. Now we can create a pivot table by looking at the pivot table field at the right side of the screen. Drag type of case to filters. Drag country to rows. Drag number of case to values. Now we have our pivot table. We can change the name of the first column. Let's change the name of the second column by deleting sum of. Excel does not accept since there is a field name of the same name. Click Escape in your keyboard. We will make a little different name. Press Enter. Now we have proper column names. In type of case, we can choose active case. Numbers will change automatically based on the type of case. We choose deaths, then recovered. Lastly, we can choose all, which means all types of cases. We can also select multiple items by clicking the filter sign, then checking the box of select multiple items. Uncheck the box of all. We can choose not only one item. Since we choose active and deaths, number will be the total of those 2 types of cases. If we don't need multiple items, check the filter sign again and uncheck the box of select multiple items. To change the design of the pivot table, click on any part of the pivot table, go to Pivot Table Tools, then Design. You can have preview of how each design looks like. Click the last arrow to show all the designs. We choose this specific design by clicking it. To add slicer, click any part of the pivot table. Go to Pivot Table Tools, then Analyze. Select Insert Slicers. We can choose region as our slicer. There are 3 regions based on our data source. If you want to show countries belong to Asia, click Asia. The table only shows cases in Asian region. We can show only European countries or only North America. We can show all regions by clicking Clear Filter. There's another way of showing the data. Delete the slicer. Click again any part of the pivot table. Drag the field region to rows. Be sure it's above the country. Now, the table will separate countries by region with subtotal for each group. Very easy and flexible way of presenting data. Like and share this video. To make dynamic table using index match, SUMIFS and VLOOKUP, click the end screens.